In 2008, China made a daring bet. They spent hundreds of billions of dollars on a technology that most of the world said was impossible, transforming an entire country using nothing but rails and speed. Today, anything that moves on land, cars, buses, even airplanes, is slower than a machine they created. Machines that travel faster than sound travels through air. Machines that connect entire cities in minutes, not hours. And the craziest thing? You can be inside one right now, drinking coffee without even feeling you're moving. So get ready, because I'm about to show you the 8 most absurd trains the planet has ever built. And when you reach number 1, you'll understand why China isn't just the future of transportation, it is the future. We start with something that completely changed the rules of the game. The T-Flight Maglev came to ask a question no one had been able to answer. When does speed stop being amazing and start being scary? The answer? 1,000 kilometers per hour. For real perspective, a Boeing 737 cruises at 885 kilometers per hour. This train beats a commercial jet on the ground. Let that sink in. A train is faster than a plane taking off. The secret? This train never touches the rails. It floats completely in the air using electromagnetic machines that lift it above the track, creating perfect suspension with zero friction, zero limits, touching nothing, with nothing holding it back. It's literally a magnetic cannon, except the cannonball is a train full of people who are drinking coffee while traveling at 1,000 kilometers per hour. But the real secret to reaching those speeds isn't just levitation, it's what surrounds the train: vacuum tubes. Imagine this. While other trains constantly fight air resistance, the T-Flight travels inside tubes with almost no air. It's the same principle that lets spacecraft go so fast in space. No air to fight, no aerodynamic pressure holding you back, you reach the impossible. The result? The T-Flight can cover the distance between Beijing and Shanghai, one of China's busiest routes, in less than 2 hours, a trip that takes 4.5 hours on the world's fastest conventional trains. You literally gain almost 3 hours of your life back. This speed isn't just a number on a screen. It's transformation, efficiency, and a complete redefinition of what traveling on land means. Impressive? Yes. But hold on. What comes in 7th place will make you rethink everything you just saw. 7th place goes to the machine that proved China no longer needs to copy anyone. The CRH-380A, reaching 420 kilometers per hour. It's not the record holder, but what comes next changes everything. Its design is inspired by fighter jets. Long nose, perfect aerodynamics. It doesn't just reach speed, it dominates the air while still on the ground. But its true power isn't peak speed, it's endurance. It can hold over 350 kilometers per hour for hundreds of consecutive kilometers without losing power, without slipping, without damage, thanks to an advanced liquid cooling system that keeps the motors at perfect temperature for hours at maximum power. The train just keeps going. And here's the wild part. It recharges with electricity while moving. No technical stops, no rest. It's practically unstoppable. This train covers distances that other countries only handle with domestic flights, and it does it at speeds that beat many small planes. China created a machine that redefined what endurance means. Impressive? Yes. But what comes in 6th place isn't just fast, it's revolutionary. 6th place marks the moment that changed China forever. The CRH-380D was the first train built entirely with pure Chinese technology. While earlier models used foreign tech, some German here, some Japanese there, this beast is 100% Chinese design and engineering from start to finish. No copies, no outside help, just brilliance. And now, the part you'd never expect. It's practically silent. You can stand next to the tracks and hear only a whisper as it passes at airplane speed. Other trains sound like air combat. This one glides by like a ghost. Its dragon-shaped nose isn't just aesthetics, it's pure engineering. That curved nose cuts the air so efficiently, it eliminates almost all sound resistance. Chinese engineers achieve the impossible: speed that rivals the world's best, but silence that beats them all. In a single train, China announced its arrival. This train showed the world that China no longer needs foreign masters. The golden age of Chinese high-speed engineering had begun, and it all started here. But wait, what comes in fifth place will leave you completely shocked. Fifth place takes you outside China, the Shinkansen, perfection itself. Yes, it hits 320 kilometers per hour. Not the fastest, but wait a second, because what comes next will change your entire perspective. The average delay for an entire year of operation, 18 seconds. 18 in 365 days. If you schedule a date using the Shinkansen, you arrive exactly on time. Every component is calculated like a Swiss watch. Its system uses artificial intelligence to detect and prevent problems before they even exist. It's like having a doctor monitoring every breath of the train. Maintenance is obsessive. Every part is replaced before it shows the slightest sign of wear. Nothing is left to chance. Nothing fails because nothing is allowed to fail. Result? 60 years of operation, 6 full decades, 0 fatal accidents. Japan didn't just build a fast train, it built a legacy. And the secret behind all that perfection? A regenerative braking system so efficient it sometimes produces more electricity than it consumes on downhill runs. The train literally generates its own power. When other countries build high-speed trains, they're not just competing on speed, they're competing against 6 decades of flawless engineering. That's a battle no one has won yet. Perfection takes time. And what comes in fourth place? Well, that one redefined what time itself means. Fourth place isn't just a train, it's a warning. In 2027, Japan will put into service something that until recently seemed impossible. The L0 series Maglev, 603 kilometers per hour. But that number is just the beginning. Tokyo to Osaka, a trip that takes 2 hours 15 minutes on the fastest current Shinkansen, will take just 67 minutes with the L0. The technology behind it? Superconducting magnetic levitation. It floats completely in the air, touches nothing, no friction, no resistance. Its suspension technology is so advanced, it maintains perfect stability at speeds that should be impossible. 600 kilometers per hour with 0 shaking. While wheel-based trains fight friction, the L0 eliminated the problem entirely. No contact, no friction, no limits. It's like putting a train inside a video game where the laws of physics don't apply. But here's what matters. Japan integrated the world's strictest safety standards into a machine that travels at record speeds. It's not just fast, it's perfectly safe. Japan didn't just compete on speed. It took 60 years of perfection and added the technology of the future. The result? The L0. Impressive? Yes, but when you see third place, you'll understand why the entire world is shaking. Third place takes us to Europe. Germany's ICE-3, the fastest train on the continent, built by the nation that invented magnetic levitation. It hit 368 kilometers per hour in tests, but operates commercially at 300 kilometers per hour. Not because it can't go faster, but because the Germans chose safety above everything else. And here's what defines Germany. It's practically impossible to derail this train. Its distributed traction lets it brake more efficiently than any competitor on the planet. Its active tilting system lets it take curves at speeds that would throw other trains off the tracks, while sensors constantly monitor every crack in the rail, every weight variation. German engineering took aerodynamics to an obsessive level. Every surface is mathematically optimized. Nothing is left to chance, not a single millimeter of design without purpose. Its wheels and chassis use special metals designed to withstand extreme use for decades. For the ICE-3, that's just a Tuesday. China competed on raw speed, Japan on historical perfection. Germany competed on absolute safety married to extreme speed. The result is a precision machine that can run at insane speeds for decades without failing. Germany redefined what safety in rail transport means. But wait, what comes in second place? Well, that one isn't just a train, it's a legend already changing the future. Second place goes to a European train no one expected Italy to create, the Italo AGV. It hits 360 kilometers per hour, but that number hides something far more revolutionary. This train accelerates in a way that impresses engineers across the continent. It connects major Italian cities operating commercially at 300 kilometers per hour, smoothly, efficiently, as if it were made of air. Its real secret, no traditional locomotive. No giant engine up front. Instead, it distributes power along the entire length of the train. That means faster, more stable acceleration, and more interior space for passengers. Italy didn't just build a fast train, it built intelligence in motion. Its ultralight materials drastically reduce weight. Less weight equals less energy. Less energy equals more speed. Pure physics applied with Italian elegance. Its suspension system eliminates almost all vibration. You travel at absurd speeds but feel like you're sitting on a couch. Smart aerodynamic design, advanced materials, efficient power distribution, all combine into an exceptionally fast and reliable transportation system. Italy proved efficiency doesn't have to sacrifice style. The Italo AGV is the fastest privately operated train on the continent, and no one saw it coming. But now, number one. The one that will leave you completely speechless, the train that redefined everything.
Number 1. The train that will change everything. The Shinkansen Alpha X, a 320-meter-long, 10-car experimental beast that is completely revolutionary. It's not just fast, it's intelligent. It reached 400 kilometers per hour in testing and shattered every rail speed record. It leaves everything you just saw in the dust. But here's the impossible part. This train constantly analyzes over 10,000 different data points while moving. Outside temperature, microscopic vibrations, air pressure, everything at once. Its nose is 22 meters long, shaped like a mirror tip to slice through air with zero resistance. But that's just the start. And here's what will blow your mind. The train can change its shape while moving. Sensors across its surface detect air changes, strong winds, any atmospheric variation. It automatically adjusts position, angle, aerodynamics, everything in milliseconds to maintain extreme speeds with perfect stability. It's as if the train breathes with the air. Its emergency braking system can stop it completely from 400 kilometers per hour in just 2 minutes, exceeding every safety standard in the world. From trains that took 8 hours to cross cities to machines that do it in under 2. But the Alpha X redefined everything. Japan promises it will enter service in 2030, less than a decade away. The new global speed standard isn't a promise, it's a certainty. In 2030, when you board this train, you won't just be traveling, You'll be experiencing the future that only Asia managed to build. From speeds that once seemed impossible to trains that breathe with the air, China created raw speed, Japan created perfection, and now they've created the future. If this video changed your perspective on what's possible, hit that like button. Subscribe for more stories about the technology that's transforming the planet, and tell me in the comments which of these trains you'd most want to ride. See you next time.
If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Your presence means the world to us and helps us a ton. Thank you, and God bless America.